how to fix Valorant Your Game Requires a system restart to play. And assuming that you've already restarted your computer, and just simply find the Valorant shortcut right here. So I have mine right here, and if it's in your menu, just simply right click on it also. So I'm going to right click on my Valorant shortcut, then go to properties. Now once that's done, go to compatibility and make sure that disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator is checked out, just like that. And after that, just click on apply, then click on OK. Then try to open Valorant, and if it still does not work, what you can do now is open up your task manager. Now I have my task manager right here. Then just simply search for any Riot or Valorant processes. I'm going to search for Riot. So this process, so just simply click on it, then click on End Tasks. Then search for Valorant, and if you have any Valorant process, just simply end task it, all of it. And once that's done, go to menu and search for Run. Then open it up, then type in services.msc, then click on OK. Then just scroll down till you see the VSG. So I'm just going to find it right here. So, VGC, the VGC file. So I have mine right here. So what you want to do is double click on it. Then for the startup type, set it to automatic. Then click on start. Then wait for it to load. Should take just a moment. And now it's done. And if something popped up that it says that you can't start it, you just simply need to repeat the process till it starts running right here. So it's service status running. And after that, click on apply, then click on OK. Then exit out of this, and now just open your Valorant and check if it is now working. And if it's still not working, what you can do now is go to programs. So programs. But first, just open up your task manager again. And the last thing that you can do is go to startup apps and make sure that vgtray.exe is enabled. So I already have mine enabled. So if yours is disabled, just simply enable it. And now after that, restart your computer. And if it's still not working, go here to your installed apps. Then find Valorant. I have mine right here at the very bottom. Find Valorant, uninstall it, and completely reinstall it again. So that's the last option that you can do. And that is basically it.